how to delete a song from your Instagram post. So if you want to delete a song from your Instagram post, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After that, go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're here, go with a post in which you would like to delete a song. In my case, I have the original audio or the song on the top of your screen, right? So once you have the song, unfortunately, there's no direct remove music option, but you can bypass it. You need to tap on the three lines menu, which will be on the top right. And here you may have edit option. You need to tap on edit. And from here, if you have not added any song, then you can add a song even after posting. Or you can just simply go back, go with your profile, go with the three horizontal lines which is on the top right. And here you need to go in for the professional section, go with creator tools and control and switch your account to a professional account. In my case, I already have a professional account. So you need to go and switch your account to a professional account, and then you need to go with the same section, which is the creator section, and go with branded content. Here, if it says you're eligible, you'll see a check mark. If not, go through the quick setup to enable branded content tool. You don't actually have to use them. Once it's activated, go back to your Instagram profile and open the post again. After opening the post again, you need to go with the three dots, which is on the top right again. And here you will have an option of partnership label and ads. Tap on that. After that, toggle on add partnership label. Once that enabled, you need to tap on done. You'll see a paid partnership appear at the top of your post. But the music will be gone. The song will no longer play with the post and your song will be deleted. That's how you can delete a song from your Instagram post. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.